Hey guys! Welcome back to Bang Diaries, and today this is another viral foodie video. But disclaimer, sardines yung itatry natin gawin kasi wala nang tuna ditong stock sa amin. And okay, there you go! Well guys, almost the same procedure pa rin naman tayo doon sa viral DIY tuna pie. And sardines lang yung alternatives natin. Now, let's get started! Okay, ingredients are sardines, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, egg, chopped onions, grated carrots, cheese, and tasty bread. Okay, first step, we need to flatten the bread using a rolling pin or glass tulad ng gamit ko ngayon. This time, hindi ko na in-slice yung sides kasi soft naman yung tinapay and sayang din, dagdag lamang tiyan din yun. Now, let's start rolling! Actually, maganda yung texture na itong tinapay unlike sa binili ko last time kaya ang daling panipisin. Then after that, kunin na natin yung ating sardines. Okay, open natin and then i-drain natin yung sauce using a strainer. Okay, start nating himay-himayin yung sardinas using this fork. Next, mix all the ingredients, carrots, chopped onions, and mayonnaise. Haluin natin ng maayos. And you can add more mayo according to your desired amount. Depending on your taste naman yan. Mix it well natin, then optional, add some grated cheese. After that, set aside natin. Okay, batihin naman natin yung itlog. And yan, beat natin. Okay. Charan! Ready for dipping! This is it. Add the desired amount of sardines fillings. Di ko pa alam kung ano talagang tawag, pero basta sardinas ang laman. Now, add grated or sliced cheese. Then, roll and seal the sides using a fork. Okay, dip in beaten egg and coat with breadcrumbs. Isala na natin ang kawali din. It's frying time! Wait natin until mag-golden brown. And wait, parang sunog na naman yata to. Okay, bawi na lang tayo sa iba. Sige, yan. Golden brown ang kailangan lumabas. And that's it! Tada! Yan na. Picturean muna. Then yan, hatiin natin. Yan, ayaw mag-focus pero ang sarap tingnan. Then, try na natin. Okay. Crunchy. Yummy. Okay. Parang inubusan na agad ako. Wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye-bye.